Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening sites. Google, and signing in. Once there, click the plus button to create. Choose a template if you want a head start versus starting blank when you need full control. Name the site and set the page title now because these drive navigation and SEO. Make sure to pick a theme that matches brand colors. This saves time later. Once done, confirm site settings like custom domain and viewer permissions so you can continue building without interruptions. You now add and arrange pages using the Pages panel, create top-level pages and nest subpages so navigation stays logical. Use the Insert panel to drag text boxes, images, drive files, embeds, and buttons onto the canvas. This is where functionality meets design. Adjust section layouts and grid spacing to guide readers' eyes. Responsive behavior matters, so preview in 16:9 and mobile views. Once done, link navigation items and set page-level metadata to improve discoverability and user flow. You finish by clicking Publish, selecting a site address and confirming viewer or editor permissions. Once live, test every link and embedded file. Make sure images load and videos play on mobile as well as desktop because different devices reveal problems. If something breaks, clear your browser cache, verify the page isn't restricted in share settings, and confirm custom domain DNS records are correct. Finally, iterate, update content, republish, and monitor analytics to ensure your site performs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.